Impaired driving prevention. Impaired driving, often caused by alcohol or drug consumption, poses a significant risk to public safety. To promote awareness and provide essential information about impaired driving prevention, next are some commonly asked questions and their corresponding answers. 1. What is impaired driving? Impaired driving refers to operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or other substances that impair one's ability to drive safely. It is illegal and highly dangerous due to the increased chances of accidents, injuries, and fatalities associated with impaired drivers. 2. What are the consequences of impaired driving? The consequences of impaired driving can be both personal and legal. Personal consequences include the risk of injuring oneself or others, permanent disability, emotional trauma, guilt, and remorse. Legal consequences may involve fines, license suspension or revocation, mandatory alcohol education programs, community service, probation, imprisonment, and an impact on one's criminal record. 3. How can we prevent impaired driving? Preventing impaired driving requires collective effort and individual responsibility. Here are some effective prevention strategies. Always plan ahead for alternative transportation options if you know you'll be drinking. Designate a sober driver within your group when attending social events involving alcohol. Use ride-sharing services or public transportation to get home safely after consuming alcohol. If hosting a party where alcoholic beverages are served, ensure non-alcoholic options are available for designated drivers or individuals who choose not to drink. Educate yourself about the dangers and risks of impaired driving. 4. Are there any technologies available to prevent impaired driving incidents? Yes. Various technologies aim to reduce and prevent impaired driving incidents by detecting levels of impairment in drivers. Some examples include ignition interlock devices. These devices require drivers to pass a breathalyzer test before starting their vehicles. Smartphone apps. Several apps help individuals assess their level of impairment and provide alternative transportation options. Vehicle safety systems. Advanced systems can detect signs of impairment, alert the driver, and even take control of the vehicle to prevent accidents. 5. What role can friends and family play in preventing impaired driving? Friends and family members can significantly contribute to impaired driving prevention. Educate loved ones about the dangers associated with impaired driving. Encourage responsible behavior by promoting safe alternatives like designated drivers or utilizing ride-sharing services. Offer support by providing a safe place for individuals who are unable or unfit to drive due to impairment. 6. How can communities work together to prevent impaired driving? Community involvement plays a crucial role in addressing impaired driving issues. Encourage local organizations, schools, and businesses to organize educational campaigns. Support law enforcement efforts in implementing DUI checkpoints and raising public awareness about the consequences of impaired driving. Advocate for stricter legislation regarding penalties for impaired driving offenses. Preventing impaired driving requires a multifaceted approach involving education, technology, personal responsibility, and community engagement. By taking proactive measures to discourage this dangerous behavior, we can ensure safer roads for everyone. Remember, it is our collective duty to prevent impaired driving incidents and protect lives on the road.